Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be learning about how to make the website. So I think previously we did that. We made the website, okay? So we first started from line 18 all the way to 59. Okay? So, you know, from here, line 1. So today we're just going to talk about from line 2 to 17 today. So from ThinkGrid, import message box. Now message box, right? I think you guys know. Message box basically helps you to make a pop-up. So you know that. Define a function verification, okay? Which we did down here somewhere. Where is it? It was on the edges. It was somewhere, yes, here. For the button, we only use that verification. Then we have to do that for the company name, and .get means it's going to save the data. Instead of putting that in source.py, it will make a pop-up in our screen what we're doing. Same thing for the rest of the entries. Then if not company name or not company name are not first name or not last name or not email or not phone 1 or phone 2, message box dot show warning, all fields need to be required. Well, if we don't have an at the rate in the email or at the end we don't have a .com, it'll show warning email is invalid. Else we have a message box show info success, our account has been created. And let's just try running it now. So we did the pop-up, but without the code last time. Submit. All fields are required here. If we do www, all fields are required. So, tutu, because that can be your company name. We haven't done for this one yet. Okay, never mind. Is it. Let's just say AI at the rate G dot VB. Let's see. Phone number 343 no 344 333 3455. Email is invalid. So see? Because look here. So if I do here .com, fix this right here, our account has been created. So it was that easy. This is like a 1-minute video or something. So thank everyone for listening about how to make the website and make the pop-up here about writing email is invalid and all the fields are required. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.